Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Squirrel. Welcome, and how are you all doing? And if you are watching this video, then you are probably pretty new to match betting. So welcome to the club. I hope you're going to like what you find, and if you follow the steps correctly, then you're going to be making money as well, which is great. So thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow the rest of Profit Squirrel's videos. We have new ones every single week, and we're going to go over all sorts of different concepts of match betting. If you're not new to match betting and you are a seasoned Profit Squirrel viewer or match bettor, then you might still find this video interesting because it gives you a few little options as to what you can do when you are completing offers with bookmakers. So the thing that we are talking about today is the payment methods that bookmakers will accept in order to actually let you still qualify for the free bets or whatever offers they are putting on. So as I'm sure you all know, we do need to deposit money with bookmakers in order to place bets, in order to do the match bets, in order to make a profit. And of course that money comes back to you either via the bookmaker or via the betting exchange. And if you've done any sort of deposit with a bookmaker before, then you will know that they accept different payment methods. They normally will take debit cards, credit cards, PayPal, something called Squirrel, which is basically the same thing as PayPal. And some will take prepaid cards, you know, the sorts of cards you can get with credit on, or you can actually top them up. So something like a Monzo card or something else along those sorts of lines. And most bookmakers will take these, which is fine, gives you some choices, but the important thing to know is which one are they going to accept and still give you the free bet, because that is what it's all about, is the free bets and the offers. At least in the beginning with match betting. Later on down the line, you'll be able to make money without free bets, and I've actually got a good video on that I did fairly recently, so check that out. I'm going to link to that above if you're interested, but for now it's all about the free bets when you're just starting out. So one of our members in the Profit Squirrel forum, this guy Big Sam, he's very helpful. He's an experienced member. What he's done is he's made this post about the payment methods that bookmakers allow, and he's put in a really helpful table. So he's linked to a couple of videos at the start as well, which I will link to in the comments below this video. And this is just basically saying, when do you want to speak to the bookmaker? When should you use their live chat help function? And also, when should you use Squirrel? Squirrel, as I mentioned, is pretty similar to PayPal, but it tends to be used more by people that are into betting to move money around between different bookmaker accounts in a way that's much faster than, for example, waiting for it to be transferred back into your bank account and then being able to move it to another bookmaker. So Squirrel is a great match betting tool. You should get on that, you should get into that, and check out that video as well, because that will tell you when to do that, when it makes sense to get into that. So this is quite a long table. It basically goes over every single bookie and casino that we have seen offers for that you may use for match betting. And I'm not going to go over the whole table. If you want to see the whole table, go ahead, jump into the forum. Again, link is below this video and you'll be able to see everything that's going on. So essentially what this table is saying the bookmaker name, and it is saying whether you will get the free bet with the debit or credit card, the prepaid card, PayPal or e-wallet, whichever method of those you use to deposit with. Is that okay to receive the free bet? Now, typically what we are talking about here is the welcome bonus, the sign-up bonuses, okay? So 10bet may have a sign-up bonus, say bet £10, get a £10 free bet, something like that. And if you're completing this offer, then you want to go ahead and check out which method is appropriate. So yes, you can use a debit card or credit card. You'll qualify for that £10 free bet. Prepaid cards, I wouldn't go ahead and use those. They haven't mentioned anything to do with that on their site. PayPal, again, they haven't mentioned anything in the terms of the offer, so I would probably avoid that as well. And e-wallets, those are things like Skrill, etc. They say no, you won't qualify for the free bet if you deposit with one of those. You can see, however, that looking further down this table, on some bookmakers, someone like BetBull, actually, yes, you could use an e-wallet, so you would still qualify for the free bet if you use the e-wallet. So that's this table. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. What I would say as general advice is, when you're starting out, always use a debit or credit card to make your first deposits with bookmakers. With the betting exchanges, it doesn't really matter what method you use, but to start with, as a general rule, use a debit or credit card, and that will cover you in all of the cases. because every single bookmaker is happy to accept that and credit the free bet. If you can't use something like a debit or credit card, if you need to use a prepaid card, or if you need to use some sort of e-wallet or PayPal, it can work, but I would encourage you to check this table before you do so. We are going to keep this table up to date, but if you have any other questions as well, or if you're not sure, then reach out to us here at Profit Squirrel or reach out directly to the bookmaker just to check that you're going to get that free bet with whatever payment method it is you're using. So I think this is a pretty helpful tool, but if you're not sure, as I say, go with the debit or credit card. I hope that makes sense. Drop me a question or comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks again so much for watching these videos. We're over 1,000 subscribers strong now, and it's really, really nice to see the community growing and to be able to help and make these videos for so many people. So thank you. Make sure you hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on the latest Profit Squirrel content. We are bringing you new videos every single week to show you the best way to take advantage of match betting and to make sure that you are making profits every single day. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all again really, really soon in another Profit Squirrel vlog. Have a great week of match betting, and bye for now.